In the quiet town of Willowbrook, there lived a little girl named Lily. She was known for her compassionate heart and her gentle nature. Lily had a fondness for animals, and in her cozy backyard, she kept a delightful herd of rabbits and a few mischievous cats. Each of them had a name and a special place in her heart. One sunny afternoon, as Lily was tidying up the rabbit hutches, she noticed one of the rabbits, Pippin, was acting unusually lethargic. Worried, she picked him up gently, noticing his usually bright eyes were now dull and his little nose wasn't twitching as much. "Oh, Pippin, what's wrong with you?" she murmured, cradling him on her lap. Lily rushed inside, holding Pippin close. She knew she had to act fast and decided it was best to take him to the local vet. After a careful examination, the vet, Dr. Thompson, informed Lily that Pippin had likely strayed too far into the garden, eaten some plants that disagreed with his stomach, and now needed rest and medication. Lily nodded, relieved that the situation wasn't dire. Back home, Lily set up a cozy little spot for Pippin in a corner of her room. She stayed by his side all evening, feeding him medicine, fresh hay, and water. Her cats, ever curious, sauntered over to observe the new arrangement, but soon tired of the motionless rabbit and sauntered away to curl up in their own napping spots. Days passed, and under Lily's keen care, Pippin slowly regained his strength. His eyes brightened, and his nose began to twitch with vigor once more. Realizing that her tender care had helped Pippin recover, Lily felt a sense of joy and accomplishment. Now fully recuperated, Pippin was hopping around, exploring his surroundings, and occasionally sneaking under sofas, much to Lily's amusement. Through this experience, Lily learned the importance of vigilance and care when it came to her beloved pets. She became even more attentive to ensuring the safety of her garden, keeping an eye on the plants and making sure no other rabbit would fall ill in the future. Lily's compassionate deed became a fond story in Willowbrook, a reminder of how an act of kindness can have rippling effects, bringing life back to a little creature and joy to a little girl. As for Pippin, he became the symbol of resilience and hope, a beloved subject of stories told by Lily and admired by other children in their little town.